The session is about the monopoly, how it's work, and to understand it and to learn it, to empower ourselves, and that is actually the foundation for control. And they love control, and control actually start from the mind is the main place from where the control start and where the control play a vital role in exploring, in controlling the whole humanity. And they exactly know the power of perception, and perception is exactly through which they control the humanity. It's a tool, it's a weapon of control, and they use it, they know it, they manipulate through it, and they know its work through the power of repetition. They control the entire repetitive industry, which we know by the name of mainstream media. Up to 1984, we have only 50 companies that controlling the entire perception. But through the power of monopolization and through the inner connectedness, now at 2011 it remain up to six companies, and here now we have only four companies which control the entire perception, and that is the reason we are now seeing the similar agenda which are presented with more or less wording change, but the entire thing is remain the same. And that is the reason that the work behind the shadows, they work so that not only through monopolization but also through controlling the perception, they control the entire humanity. And the first one is national amusement, that also the honor of the two giants, CBS and Viacom. And that is the reason that they have such a big control, and they have more than 700 million subscriber. They're covering almost 160 countries. They know their power, and they also have almost 970 cinemas in not only in the US but also in the Europe. So they cover large portion of the media, large portion of the Hollywood industry, and they rule over the perception, and they become the number one who control a big part of the perception. The second one is Walt Disney. Walt Disney is the second largest entertainment plus sports provider. They know exactly the power of a young generation, and they know exactly the power of sports, as they know the code that give them circus and bread, and they never revolt. And how they revolt when they remain in uh, in the perception of Walt Disney, in the perception which are given by these giants. So they can't do the critical thinking. They can't ask the questions about the limiting beliefs, and that is the purpose that the perception remain in their control. So the third one is AT&T, which have a largest audience of the for the family entertainment. So they cover almost every aspect of the perception, not only for the young one but also for the entire family. And that is the reason that these two pillars One is the power of monopoly, and the other one is the power of perception. They give them such a control that we remain in this narrow band of information. We remain in narrow band of possibilities, and we follow what they teach us, and we look through their eyes and never exploring what is the reality and what is the matrix. And the fourth one is Ycom. That is again the Comcast. The fourth one is Comcast, which is again the big media, the big giant. So these four again make the whole perception. They bring the similar news. They have the similar work on the